stainless steel barbecues, bikes, washer. There's like 6 barbecues in here all broken up. So, it's a quick load, middle of the night. We're 9 in the morning. Yeah, Alexis.